Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So in this video I am going to share some tips to clear your pronunciation, to clear your to get a clarity in your speech while speaking English. So I also trying these tips from last 2 weeks and it's give me a result. So I thought why not share with you, and now I'm going to share the tips. So the first tip is to for the first tip you have to need one pencil and a book to read. So the the tip is to hold a pencil like this, not chewing this pencil with your mouth, just hold like this and try to read the book like this. Perhaps the most outstanding identified quality of high performing men and women is action orientation. They need in a hurry to get their key task complete. Highly productive people take time to think, plan and set priority. So what will help this if you read like this and using this pencil? So if you try this and while reading a book and you hold the pencil with your mouth, and it will clear your pronunciation. When you try to speak English, some of the people try to feel that they are not clear and they are fumble oftenly. And to stop this, to improve your pronunciation or to get a clarity in your English, so you can try this. This is an important, I would say this is a very interesting or important tip for a person who trying to improve their communication skill or spoken English. So try this one. And the second tip I am going to share you is for pronunciation, and you all of might already know that I am talking about tongue twisters. Yeah, tongue twister help you to train your tongue. This. So when you train your tongue, it better after training. So try to train your tongue while to practice some tongue twisters. So I'm going to share 3 tongue twister I personally use. So the first tongue twister is red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. First try to pronounce slowly and steadily, and after when you comfortable with a slow pace, so try to speed up the tongue twisters. Like in a first try you can read like this: red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. And when you get comfortable with this speed, so increase the rate of speech, like red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. So at least try to speak one tongue twister at least 3 times. So the second tongue twister I like very much, and it is my personal favorite tongue twister because it trains you very well, and it's little bit too long for some of the people who try to speak, and this is the tongue twister. And the second tongue twister is Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter, so she bought some butter better to make the bitter butter better. Got it or not? I am going to repeat it again, and this time slowly. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter, so she bought some bitter butter to make the bitter butter better. I'm going to share it again, and this time you can get these tongue twister in my description or the transcript of the video. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter, so she bought some butter to make the bitter butter better. So you have to read this or try this tongue twister at least 3 times. And the third tongue twister is, I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. So you have to speak these 3 tongue twister at least 3 times a day to improve your pronunciation, to get more clarity in your voice and in your vocal. And by following these tips, you can surely increase you can surely get better by practicing these tips. And you can also speak more clearly, more fluently, and more better after practicing these skills. And this is for the video, and in the upcoming video I am going to share more tips to improve your communication skills or speaking skill. And for now, that's it for the video. I will see you in the next one.